All right, hey Mo from Hot Jet, how you doing? I want to go over our mid-grade slide-in package. It's been really popular. Matter of fact, we're sold out. We got some more we're building. A little different than what's on the market. I'd like to say ours are industrial duty, where the other ones out there are commercial duty. I think that's what we're known for. I'm back at our production area. Before this ships, I wanted to go over how we build it. The plate itself is 48 inches long, 24 inches wide. So this is an ideal slide-in. A little different than if we build the whole plate in one sheet, because we've got our Load'nGo series with the Hot Jet 2 or the Extreme Flow 2, the big ones. This still has the really good output. It's just a lot smaller footprint. Compared with other units that are on the market, this one you can service. And it's got the best of the best of the best parts. And it's still belt driven. You know, belt drive, gear drive, direct drive are your three options. Belt driven, just proven to cushion the shock of on-off on the pump, just like your truck. It's got a big old belt in there for a reason. It's not direct drive. Just something to keep in mind on that. All these units, we're using the general TSF pump. We hyperdrive it. Really get some nice output out of it. I hate to say which motor we're using, because the market right now, we're 2022 exactly halfway through. I don't know what'll be the model next year, at least of engine. I think the TSFs, the Supply Line Super with General Pump, they're the best of the best of the best. Best warranty, easiest to service. Been using them, I've personally been using them since 1985. That's a long time. Still the best of the best. So it'll either be Honda, Vanguard, or Kohler on the engines. One advantage to all three of those brands is you can get service. If you're looking at an exotic engine, good luck on the service side, right? So Honda, you get service, obviously. Vanguard's Briggs & Stratton, Toyota builds it. And of course, Kohler's Kohler, you know, Kohler dealers. So always look at the service side. But there's some really cool advantages here. You've got your easy start valve, just like our big units. So this will bypass to your water tank that you put in your van, your pickup, or enclosed trailer. You know, if you've got a liner and you want a jetter, we've had these I'll call it the slide-in package. So you've got your easy start valve. This goes back to your water tank. We still have an antifreeze detergent tank. And the powered, this is electric hose reel, not hydraulic. Okay, electric still really got some good advantages. This is the Hane, it's the best hose reel made. It's probably 3 times as much as our other hose reels or the other hose reels you'll see on the market. This frame's Super Duty. It's just built solid. So let's do a quick walk around. So wherever you mount this in your vehicle, you've got choke, throttle, pump there. This would be on the back end of wherever your serviceability is. This is that hose reel. It's got the guide, the lock-in. You can, this unit's shipping with a Warthog, cool. Soap right here. You've also got the attachment to hook up a wash down. Easy to fuel. Gas cap right there. On off for the fuel. Let's ship it off. Access to filters. So this unit, you've got really good access. If you need to pull it in or pull it out. Again, that's a premium hose reel. Nice big fuel tank. Big battery box. It's not a small battery box. Oil change can go right up outside. I didn't show that on the other side. We'll show as you go around. Breaker. Now right here, when you shut off the hose that goes back to the tank, the Easy Start, this will plumb back to your water tank. So when you shut that valve off, that water's still flowing back to your tank. We actually developed that system umpteen years ago. That's why our pumps and motors last so long. So this is a nice setup. You got serviceability back here. You can choose between your antifreeze tank right here. Just follow the valve, okay? So this way, you're on your water tank. This way you're on your antifreeze tank. It's got a little arrow right there. Relief valve, you usually don't have to get into this very often. I don't believe you got to turn power up and down. You know, this thing you can throttle up and down to give you power. RPM, key start. This also has remote. Our premium remote that we developed for our big units comes on this unit, on, off right there. In, out on the hose reel. And we're live. Okay, you hit that too hard. Follow all the safety precautions. I can say that in videos, they tell me. But this is a nice package. It's more money than what's on the market. If you want cheap, we're not cheap. So, but then again, if you want it loaded and a functional and something you can service, give us a call. On this platform, it's normally not this tall. We ran out of our other platforms. But hopefully, administration willing, politically, we can get access to material and parts so we can stay in business, so we can support our plumbing industry that we supply. Take care. Thanks.